First things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back. This time with the Samsung washer that was poorly installed. Yeah, this machine has been used has been in use for the last 5 years, but was poorly installed. Before I proceed, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Look at this. That pipe is bent. This client has never moved or touched this machine for the last 5 years. So I realized this because she called me, the machine wasn't working well. And you have to do a test first. So water was coming in, but at a very low pressure. Other taps were very okay. This was the cause. A kinked pipe will affect the way a washing machine functions. And you know, these are fully automatic washing machines. So the sensor determines the amount of water for each program. Look, the filters was also blocked. So can you imagine a dirty filter with a kinked pipe, that filter with a bent pipe? So the machine was struggling to fill water. It was taking long. A quick 15 should be quick 15 minutes to 20 minutes. But if you find a machine if you find you've selected like 40 minutes wash and it takes 2 hours to do the wash, something is not right. Two things: either there's no water, is not enough, low pressure, or the machine is not draining well. This goes down to service. So she called because the machine was misbehaving, giving error codes, and hey, the pipe was kinked, the filters were blocked, and they were affecting the solenoid valves. These two were overheating. With the Samsung, they even burst, and it might affect the control panel. Like other brands, I've seen these with the Bekoya. Faulty valves can easily affect a capacitor or the whole motherboard. So these things are avoidable.